Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
I know, I love hugging this bear, though.
I see
He's my
that.
best friend.
I think you need a bear in your next life.
I think so. What is this?
It's a treat.
Oh, I don't know what to do with it.
Try it.
Yeah, I didn't have a very good life, so
I know.
I don't really know what treats are for.
You're learning though, aren't you?
I am, and I'm going to come along just great.
Here, put your tongue on this. Let's
No,
see.
oh, I don't want to.
Oh,
it's
smell it.
scary.
Oh.
It smells like dead.
Ew, well, it is.
Yeah.
Oops, I wasn't focused on you.
Pay attention, please.
I was on the bear's foot.
Pay attention. Do you think I can take this bear home with me?
I think you should.
I really like him.
Well,
what should we name him?
Teddy.
Teddy? Oh, that's real original. Now I see where the dogs get their names. That's original. So someone's going to take the time to love me?
Yes.
Oh, good.
And teach you how to be like a real dog.
I can't wait for someone to love me.
I know, it's going to be really nice, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you're a good puppy.
Okay, we gotta go.
Okay, bye.